Welcome to JC Stocks and Markets podcast for January 9th, 2026. I'm JC. I've been investing in the stock market for 40 plus years. Every other week, I publish a new idea on YouTube regarding stocks or ETFs that I research. My intentions with the podcast are to share my thoughts and opinions on stock and ETF picks that have an emphasis on dividend-paying securities. I am only trying to help us both make a buck, not trying to do this for money from anyone. Opinions shared here are my own. They're just that, opinions. So do your research, do your due diligence before investing in anything. With that, let's go make some money. Start this week's podcast by saying this is almost the 100th episode, and I really enjoy doing this. This is just fun for me. I know it's not terribly professional, but I really love doing it. Anyway, with that, today's stock that we're going to feature is called Cross America Partners. Its ticker symbol is CAPL. On the New York Stock Exchange. They have a market cap of about $800 million. Volume is pretty low most days. That's pretty low volume. PE ratio 17. Beta is low, so it doesn't move so much with the market. And it pays a nice dividend, about a 10% dividend. These are gasoline retailers with multi-product retail facilities, plus they distribute petroleum, gasoline to other independent gas stations throughout the country. They have about 600 stations, and I'll get into that a little later. But they're a big retailer, mostly in the East and in the Midwest. One thing I like about this company is that they're repositioning themselves. Cross America is actually selling some of their retail facilities, and at the same time they're putting money in CapEx to renovate existing facilities that can make more money retail wise, as well as provide little different food offerings for them. As you can see, their continued focus is basically execution of their existing retail facilities, cash flows, which they have plenty of cash flows to cover the dividends, and very strong balance sheet. They've sold a few of their outlets, and people have been squawking about that, but I don't see that being like a long-term trend. They're going to continue to maintain their existing retail outlets, and they're going to improve the ones they have, as well as new ones that they put up will be more of the little higher end, because that's what the consumer's looking for. They're looking for clean restrooms, they're looking for high quality products, they're looking for food choices, that sort of thing, as well as obviously gasoline. Anyway, they're doing all the right things in terms of the retail market and gasoline distribution. This is actually my last slide. I was going to keep it short and sweet this week, or this time around. As you can see, as part of their operating metrics, net income is greater in Q3 over Q2. EBITDA is a little lower. Distributable cash flow is about the same. They cover their dividends, which are 52.5 cents per quarter, and they've been distributing that since really mid-2018, when they actually had a dividend cut, but it's been 6 years since they've had that, and they maintain that no problem. And I circled at the bottom that they've got, 11 less retail sites. They sold those off, bringing in some capital, and they're also, like I say, they're spending that money on CapEx to create better facilities of their existing and new ones. So pretty neat little company Cross America is. They move a lot of gas, and they're headquartered in Allentown, Pennsylvania. Do your due diligence on this. Retail gas, the gasoline market is a very difficult market to make money in. But if you do the additional retail with goods and services and high-end foods and stuff, you can make some money. And I think, and I know that's where this is going. I like Cross America. I don't own it, but I would consider it if I would I do have to do a little more due diligence myself, but I just want to throw that out there as an idea. The intro and outro song is a song I wrote. It's called She's the One by a band I used to play in, Just One Goat. I hope you enjoyed that. JC Stocks and Markets Podcast signing out, and happy investing all. Let's have a good 2026. Make it good. Make it good for others.
Beautiful, but I know my way back home. A loving, purely physical, but I never have to roam. Well, she's always there for me. It's simple, can't you see? She's the one. Oh, she's the one. Everything is magical, even when she's not around. No, it's not that radical, I just know what I have found. Well, she's always there for me. It's simple, can't you see? She's the one. Oh, she's the one. She's making my life so much stronger. God, let me stay just a little bit longer. She's the one. Yeah, she's the one. All